Good morning everyone. This is Kaylin Kamikawa. Last time, using the YouTube app, we have announced how to perform translation smoothly. This time, when I was surfing the net while translating on Edge, I will tell you how to translate your comment into English and make a comment. Of course you can do it in languages other than English. When you surf the internet with subtitled videos on Edge, subtitles and comments are automatically translated into Japanese. So it's no longer much different from your own video, and you can finally watch it beyond the language barrier. Unfortunately, it doesn't work well for videos that only have auto-generated subtitles. For videos that have only automatically generated subtitles, if you look at the PC version of Safari, you can see it much more stable than Edge. Therefore, it is important to use different apps to relieve stress. Even if you complain that you can't do it for an app that you can't do, it won't improve. I was tired of being disappointed with each update, hoping that it would be fixed. It's mentally easy to switch to another mobile app. When I forget it, there are times when it improves, but it's too late at that time. But www. So, if you surf the internet only for videos with subtitles, I found that Edge can translate subtitles and comments continuously, extremely comfortably. Video subtitles are automatically translated into Japanese even if you leave them alone. Titles, descriptions, and comments are automatically translated into Japanese. At that time, when posting a comment or replying, you may think, I want to write comments in Japanese, but since it is unlikely that the other party is watching in the same environment, Edge, yet, I don't think the other person can understand in Japanese. It seems to be the common sense of YouTube that it is still translated into English. In the case of the YouTube app, as I reported last time, translate with Google Photos, plus Google Translate. It is easy to translate using Google Translate, as it is in reply. In the case of Edge, until now 1. Close Edge. 2. Open Google Translate, translate and copy. 3. Close Google Translate. 4. Open Edge and paste. You have to go through 4 steps, just as much as it becomes convenient. I feel that it is annoying to open this and that app. So, can I translate and paste the text with Edge running? I think there is a request. Actually, with a shortcut called Translate Text. I found it easy to do, so I will introduce it this time. Originally for an app called Microsoft Translator, I knew there was a similar feature. When you install Microsoft Translator, a function called Translation is added to the Share menu. And for example 1, enter the text. 2. Specify the range. 3. From the sharing menu that appears, click arrow, share, and translate. 4. Japanese can be translated into English. If you specify a language, it will be translated into other languages. 5. Copy the translated text by specifying the range. 6. Click finish to finish. 7. Deleted the Japanese comment written on Edge. 8. Paste the copied text. Then you can post the comment translated into English. Approximately 9 steps are required. If you change the language of translation source and translation destination, 2 more steps will be added, so a total of 11 steps are required. In comparison, the shortcut Translate Text, this time is when combined with the back tap function. 1. Tap the back to activate the shortcut. 2. Enter Japanese text. 3. Select English. 4. Click Finish. 5. Click the Home button. 6. Paste it on Edge. Since it can be done in 6 steps, it can be shortened by 3 to 5 steps compared to Microsoft Translator. You can work with Edge up, so it's very easy and convenient. Please try it. Just this shortcut, I'm adding only one fix. I have added the command, copy to clipboard, at the end of the shortcut. Open the show cut and select, plus, share, copy to clipboard. Just add this and you can reduce 1 step, so please try it. So, you can add useful functions to the shortcuts. I also open in Chrome, open in YouTube app. I also created and used a shortcut called Move the app around. I was translating subtitles, comments, etc., so it's a remnant of that. Now that I'm just moving to Safari and Edge, I don't use it much. I just want to create a shortcut called Open in Edge, but I can't create it well. If you know, please let us know. So with Edge, you can translate very quickly and efficiently. In the case of Edge, it is possible to translate subtitles as it is in the mobile version without making it a PC version site. However, with automatically generated subtitles, translation is possible, but the translation function itself does not start up. The subtitles are turned off each time. It is not very effective. For example, the translation result becomes unclear. So I would like to say to YouTube creators, we are now in an era where subtitles can be easily added with apps such as Vru and Nada. Please send at least the subtitles of your own country. YouTube, if you have time to delete comments, strictly instruct videos without subtitles to have subtitles. Google, don't be afraid, with Chrome and Google Apps, please improve so that YouTube subtitles can also be translated. Technically, you can do it already, right? Why can't the original app be made when it can be done with Edge? I do not understand. Apple, translate YouTube. When will Safari be able to handle it? Please improve it by all means. Please, more better, that's all.